Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? This comprises of 11 items. That is 11 fruits. It comprises of 11 fruits and thick condensed milk. Very powerful. If you want to make your sperm very thick and you want to make your manhood very strong and you want to last longer, consider taking fruit salad. Very powerful. On how you take this 1 week, watch the nature of your sperm. Watch your sex drive or your libido. You will have active libido. What are the ingredients that are in this recipe or in this salad? This is called fruit salad. It contains many ingredients. But before I proceed to tell you the ingredients, I want to say thanks to all my subscribers for supporting this channel. My name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if you want to know more about men and natural ways to keep men, you are on the right channel. Consider to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. So what are the ingredients in this fruit salad that will help you to make your sperm very thick, healthy, and also make your manhood strong, and also make you to last longer in bed? This is powerful. Number one is banana. Banana. This is banana. Number two is cucumber. Watermelon. Number two is watermelon. Number three is groundnut. As you can see, this is groundnut. Number four is apple. Number five is pineapple. Number six is pawpaw. Number seven is avocado pear. Number eight is condensed milk. As you can see, it has settled down. It has settled down. Number nine is cucumber. See it. Cucumber. Number 10 is coconut. And number 11 is carrot. These are the ingredients you need to make your sperm thick. On how you keep taking this for 1 week, if not 1 week, at least once every week for complete 2 months. Watch the health of your manhood. Watch your sperm and watch your active. All you need is this recipe. But apart from all these ingredients, never add orange, never add grape or lime. These 3 fruits are excluded because if you add them here, they might cause you constipation. So apart from lime, orange and grape, you can add any other fruits. But before you take this recipe, I will advise to consult your doctor for advice, or your healthcare provider. If you take this, you will act like a man. You will perform well like a man. And most especially, you will have a healthy sperm and perform well like a man. So that is it for today's video. Consume this at least twice every week for complete a month. Watch the health of your sperm once again. Watch your sex drive and watch your libido. So that is it for today's video. Never add orange, never add grape, and never add lime. All you need is these ingredients or other fruits to make a fruit salad, and add it milk to get the best results. So that is it for today's video, and that is what I want to share into this video. So if you get value from watching this video, please subscribe to support this channel. Turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section below. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Like and share this video to your friends and families. See you in my next video. Have a nice day. I wish you good luck. Bye.